Good morning, guys. Today we will correct the extra exercises about triangles. So please put your homeworks in front of you and follow with me. Part A. Given the figures below A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I, they are examples about triangles. The question is, which triangles are acute? 2. Which triangles are obtuse? Is the triangle G right? Justify your answer and name another right triangle. Now, what am I going to do is to look well at each triangle and then decide whether it's acute, obtuse, or right. We know that acute triangle is a triangle that has 3 acute angles, while the obtuse triangle has 1 obtuse angle. The right triangle has 1 right angle. Now let's start. Part A. This angle here is an obtuse angle. It's greater than 90 degrees. So triangle A is classified as an obtuse angle. What about B? I have to look at the angles here. This one is acute. This one is acute, and the third one is also acute, so angle B is classified as an acute triangle. What about C? Look dear, when you see a right angle, such this one, I can directly say that this triangle is a right triangle. Why? Because it has a right angle. Let's move to another one. D. Looking at the angles, this one is acute, the second is acute, and the third is acute. So triangle D is classified as acute. What about E? This is an acute angle, but this angle here is obtuse. It's greater than 90. So triangle E is classified as an obtuse triangle. What about F? It's clear that this angle here is obtuse. It's greater than 90. So triangle F is classified as an obtuse triangle. G. When you see this sign here, that means G is a right triangle. Why? Because this angle is right. What about H? Look at this angle here. It's obtuse. It's greater than 90. So triangle H is classified as an obtuse triangle. The last one, I. Is it acute or obtuse? Look, its angles are all acute. So it's an acute triangle. That's all about classifying triangles as acute or obtuse. Now, is the triangle G right? This is triangle G. Can we classify it as a right triangle? Here it has a right angle. So, yes, because it has a right angle. G is a right triangle because it has a right angle. Name another right triangle. Which triangle here other than G has a right angle? It's angle C. So triangle C is right. Part B. Given the following triangle, this triangle is called A, B, C. I have to name its vertices. What's a vertex? It's the point of intersection of two sides. Here is the first vertex, which is A, vertex B. This point here is at the vertex, and the third vertex is C. What are the angles? We write angles in the form of here 3 letters, writing the vertex in the middle. Here we have vertex A, the side AB, and another side AC. So I can write its angle BAC or CAB. They are the same. And we write this sign above the vertex. The second angle is, if we take into consideration vertex B, so this is the angle. It's ABC or CBA. Then the third angle, which is BCA or ACB. This angle here with vertex C, from one side we reach point B and the other side we reach point A. So I can name it angle BCA. Sides, the first side is AB, the second one BC, and the third is CA. We have to write this sign to represent sides, since AB is a segment, it's of a limited length. Okay? Part B. Given the following triangle, it's the same figure, but number 2, what's the sum of its angles? What's the sum of angles in a triangle? Any triangle, not only this one, it's 180 degrees. We can calculate them. 75 plus 43 plus 62, their answer will be 180. Now, which angles are adjacent to the side AB? This is side AB. Which angles are adjacent? These two angles, the green one and the blue one. They are adjacent to this segment. So, how to name this angle? It's of vertex A, it's BAC. And the second angle, which is adjacent, is this one in green, ABC. Okay, always keep in your mind that angle is represented by 3 letters. The vertex is always in the middle. Now, which angle is opposite to the side BC? This is side BC. Which one of these angles is opposite to it? Directly opposite, we reach, this is what we mean by opposite. We reach the blue angle, which name is BAC. Now, correct the following statements. The side AC is opposite to the angle CAB. Correct. This means that all of the angles are false and we have to correct them. None of the following statements is correct. Okay? We have to correct them. The side AC, this is side AC. It's opposite to which angle? Which angle is opposite to it? The green one, which is ABC or CBA. They told me here that it's opposite to angle CAB. It's not opposite to it. I can correct this statement in 2 methods. The first one, I can say that the side AC is opposite to the angle ABC, or simply I can exchange the word opposite, that AC is adjacent to angle CAB. Next one, the angle CBA, the green one here, and ACB, the yellow angle, are adjacent to the side AB. Look, both of them are adjacent to AB. It's clear that ABC is adjacent to segment AB, but the yellow angle BCA, it's not adjacent to AB, it's adjacent to BC. So I have to remove AB and write BC instead of it. The triangle ABC is an obtuse triangle. Let's check. Angle BCA equal to 75. It's less than 90, so it's an acute angle. ABC is 43 degrees. It's less than 90, so it's an acute triangle. BCA equals to 62. Also, it's less than 90, so it's acute. It has 3 acute angles, so the triangle ABC is an acute triangle, not an obtuse one. Okay, now Calculate the missing angles in each of the following figures. We know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. If the first angle is 70 and the second is 45, what's the measure of the third angle? I have to say that the sum of angles equal 180, so I have to remove or subtract the known angles, which is 45 and 70. So 180 minus 45 plus 70. And we know from PEMDAS rules that parenthesis has priority, so I have to solve the equation by calculating what's inside the parenthesis. 45 plus 70 is 115, and now 180 minus 115 equals to 65 degrees. Then BCA equals to 65 degrees. Now the same idea is represented here. The sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. X equal 180 minus the known angles 135. So it's 180 minus 145, which is 35 degrees. Now, here I have two angles, SRO and URY. Which one of them, X or Y, can I start with it? Here, to calculate angle X, I have to calculate Y first. But how to calculate Y? ROS is a triangle, and the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So Y plus 62 plus 51 is 180. So Y equals 180 minus 62 plus 51. It's 180 minus the sum of 62 and 51 is 113. So 180 minus 13 equal to 67 degrees. I found Y, so let's put it above. It's 67 degrees. Now, URS is a straight angle. URS equals to 180 degrees. How to find the measure of angle X? I have to say that it's 180 minus 67 equals to 113 degrees. There's another method to calculate it. We will see it later. Now, here I have two angles, X and Y. Let's think, which angle can I start with? Here I have angle YLM equals to 120 degrees. So what remains for X if KLY is a straight angle? Since it's a straight angle, so it's 180 degrees. So X equal 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees. And now, since we find the measure of angle X, we have the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So I know two angles, 60 and 70 is 130. So 180 minus 130 equals to 50 degrees. Okay, and that's how I found the measure of angle Y. Please write the correction on your classwork copybook, and thanks for your attention.